So in this video, we'll test out the Hero 9 Media Mod. We'll look at the good, the bad, and the ugly in a number of different environments to see how the microphone actually does. And then we'll round it all off with a recommendation after we've had a chance to review it all. So we're heading to the gym right now to see what it's like in its different environment, and rather than telling you guys when we're switching from Media Mod to the onboard mic, I'll just add titles so it's a little bit easier for you to see. Now obviously you can tell it's a pretty windy day. Now the number of Pro Tune settings that you can adjust to get better audio, although the overall GoPro audio volume is set itself, it's just automatic. So while that's, you know, a good and a bad thing, you can change the wind, so on a day like this you could adjust it if need be. So you can also choose to shoot on the front mic, the rear mic, or just the GoPro mic itself. And what's great is you can just switch it all off rather than having to take it out of the Media Mod case, which means that if you're in a bit of a pinch for battery, you don't have to worry too much. And then you can set your audio recording preference. So for the sake of this video and what I would recommend, set this to RAW and to record on high processing, and then you can just synchronize it all up in post. Now I could take you guys into the changing room, but no one's going to be vlogging in a changing room, and that means you shouldn't either. So let's try this for a little bit of skating. Then you have the look and feel of the mod itself. It does add some, you know, a little bit of additional size to the GoPro Hero 9, especially given the fact the Hero 9 in itself is bigger than the 7 or 8 or any of its predecessors. While that increase in size really isn't that much of a factor, one of the things I was concerned about was how well the mic fluff mount actually stuck to the mod itself. And having a little plastic clip on the back meant that it's secured pretty well in place. So the question we're trying to answer is, does this Media Mod give the GoPro good enough audio quality to make it a real vlogging option? Now in my opinion, the answer is yes, because I've already listened to and practiced with this audio before. But if you are going to use this as a vlogging option, I would suggest getting the top monitor you can get as an accessory. Why? It's because the front screen on 5K seems to lag a little. Is that a deal breaker? Does it mean you have to get the secondary monitor? No, but it could help. I also fell in setting that one down. Oh my goodness. So if you're really considering this being your next vlogging option, I highly recommend getting an Action GorillaPod from Joby, and I'll leave, or at least you can use this code for 10% off from the lovely people over at Joby. So there you go. Lovely, short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown, and later this week we're going to have videos on the Polar Pro and Freewell ND filters to help you decide, I guess, number one, do you even need them? And two, which of those is right for you? So thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do what you got to do, and I will see you guys in the next one.